Hey friends, welcome back to another video of my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about the use of pop filters while recording our voice. And do we even need one for our everyday recordings? So, first let's do the unboxing of this pop filter from MAONO. Here we have the front of the box. And this is the side where only MAONO branding is there. This is the back of the box. And this is the other side of the box. We don't have anything else at the top and bottom of the box. This is how the pop filter looks, and it's very lightweight too. The build seems to be very good quality, so nothing to complain about that. The pop filter's mask shield also seems to be of good quality, which can be used with most commonly used microphones for our home studios or for YouTube content creation or even for games as well. The neck of the filter is flexible and can be adjusted to desired positions. The pop filter is very easy to install, and I have tested with a tabletop microphone stand. And I have tested also with a boom arm. In both the use cases, the pop filter stays at its position without falling or slipping from its position. So finally, do we need a pop filter for our everyday recordings? The answer is, it depends. The pop filters are used to get rid of what they call plosives. So when there is a burst of air comes out of our mouth for certain consonants while trying to speak to the microphone, such as the words which starts with the letters P, K, T, G, B, D, etc., then this plosive happens to our sound waves. If you are using a condenser microphone for your recordings, then it's really a good idea to use a pop filter like this with those condenser microphones. But in the other hand, if you are using a dynamic microphone, then the dynamic microphones already comes with its own built-in pop filter. But if you prefer to use one, then it will be much more safer from the popping sounds which may cause due to the plosives. Though if you use to record sounds other than voice, such as ambient sound, background music, noise, etc., then it's not really essential to have a pop filter while recording. So it depends on the use cases you may have while recording sounds. Yet it's always a good idea to use the pop filters while speaking to the microphones. And that's it guys. Hope you have got to know few points from this video, and if you have learned something from this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am Shushanto signing off for this time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.